Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making deodorant stick. So without wasting any more time, let's get right into it. In an empty beaker, I am measuring out caprylate triglyceride at 15.75 grams. Into that I'm adding zinc ricinoleate at 1.35 grams. Now that I have these two ingredients measured out, next thing I'm going to be doing is prepare a water bath. And I'll be placing this beaker into the water bath until the zinc flakes dissolves. While the water is heating up, I am going to be measuring out more ingredients. So in another empty jar, I'm going to measure out 13.5 grams of stearic acid. And to that, I'll add 4.5 grams of hydrated silica. I can see the water bath is ready, so I'm going to be sending in the jar containing the zinc flakes and caprylate triglyceride. We're going to be leaving this jar in the water bath until the whole flakes of the zinc are fully dissolved. Okay, let this baby warm up while we go get our deodorant tube ready. We'll start by dropping just a few drops of the caprylate triglyceride into this little mold here. Swish it around a bit to get it properly coated. Now we'll place it on the deodorant tube. Now place the cap on. Careful to not push it down all the way through. Next, place it upside down into something that can keep it standing upright. Yeah, because this is how we are going to be leaving it till it sets. The zinc ricinoleate is completely dissolved, so I'm taking it out from heat. I need it to stay hot, so I'm letting it sit in some hot water while I work with it. Now we add phase B, which is our stearic acid and hydrated silica, into phase A, which is a zinc ricinoleate and caprylate triglyceride. I'll be stirring that in and then send it back to it. Properly mix this and then return to heat. Stir at intervals until completely dissolved. Once fully dissolved, remove from heat. Now I'm adding 7 grams of cocoa caprylate. Stand in this position. Let it stand undisturbed for about 6 hours or overnight. 24 hours wouldn't hurt either. It's been long after 6 hours. Now let's see. Ever so slightly, take off the cap and the mold. Look what we have here, a beautiful deodorant. I'm going to try this on my skin so you can see what it's like. No streaks, no streaks. Oh, and it has the most beautiful glide. So now you know how to make a stick deodorant. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Yeah, be sure to follow me on Instagram if you want more information on the ingredients I have used in this formula and why I have used them. Also, do not forget to subscribe, like, and share. Until next time, thank you for watching.